Hey everyone, have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, what if the moon just wasn't there? The moon is such a constant in our lives, but what would actually happen if we somehow managed to destroy it? Back in 1958, during the heat of the space race. But let's imagine we develop some futuristic superweapon and actually pull it off. What then? First, the shattered pieces of the moon wouldn't just vanish. They'd likely form a spectacular ring system around Earth, kind of like Saturn's. We'd also see a constant rain of lunar fragments entering our atmosphere, like a perpetual meteor shower. These wouldn't be as destructive as typical meteorites, since they'd be moving much slower, but they could still cause some serious damage. On the bright side, our night sky would become a stargazer's paradise. Without the moon's glare, countless more stars would be visible. Nights would be significantly brighter overall. The downside: say goodbye to solar eclipses forever. The most immediate change we'd notice would be with the tides. The moon's gravity is the primary driver of our ocean tides. Without it, the sun's pull would still create some tidal movement, but they would shrink to only about a quarter of their current size. This would be a huge change for coastal ecosystems and would probably mean the end of surfing as we know it. But the most catastrophic effect wouldn't be immediate. The moon acts like a giant stabilizer for Earth's rotation, keeping our planet's axial tilt steady at about 23.4 degrees. Without the moon, that stability would be gone. Over thousands of years, Earth's tilt could wobble dramatically, maybe even reaching 45 degrees or more. Imagine Earth spinning on its side. The poles wouldn't always be cold, and the equator wouldn't always be hot. You could have a future where Antarctica's ice melts, revealing a new continent, while the equator gets regular snowfall. Ice ages would strike different parts of the planet at random intervals. These changes would take thousands of years, so we wouldn't see it in our lifetime. But for future generations, Earth would be completely unrecognizable. So, destroying the moon wouldn't cause an instant apocalypse, but over the long run, it would fundamentally and chaotically reshape our world. Perhaps the greatest loss, though, would be losing our closest celestial neighbor. The moon has been humanity's stepping stone to the cosmos, a nearby practice ground for space exploration. Losing it would mean losing that natural launch pad to the rest of the solar system. It's a good thing. This is all hypothetical, and we can continue to look up and appreciate our beautiful, stabilizing, and inspiring moon. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this cosmic thought experiment, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos. See you next time!